You say you would love nothing more than to end your struggle with money. You say you would jump at the opportunity to be financially free. You say that you hate trading your time for dollars and never having enough dollars to really enjoy your life. Well, Shakespeare said, "Your actions speak so loudly that I cannot hear your words." How does that make you feel? If it makes you feel angry, that's good. It's a start. It's a step in the right direction. It's a step toward real change, toward real financial freedom. Here's the simple, powerful truth. You are only one decision away from having all the money you want and making your dream life your real life. What decision? Decide to believe that you can do it. That's right. A belief is just a thought, nothing more, nothing less. Hold that thought in your mind, act on it, and it becomes your reality. Okay, now let's look at the simple numbers that don't lie. The numbers that will support your decision to change your financial life forever. The first number is 40 US dollars that you'll invest to start your very own business. The second number is $9.95. That's your operating cost for the entire first month of your business. That's also the operating cost for each month that you decide to stay in business. Think about it. You now own a business with unlimited earning potential. That's yours for a grand total of $160 in operating expenses for your first whole year. What exactly is this business? It's an exclusive wholesale membership buyers club like Costco and Amazon. Eventually, it will offer people a wide variety of products that they need and want. Think Amazon, that started only with books and is now an everything store. Your store is called Live Good, and it launched on December 13, 2022 with superfoods and nutritional supplements that people crave and buy internationally. Your store has a global market of 240 countries. By the way, you do not have to sell any of these products. What? That's right. You offer people one thing. You offer them the membership to the Live Good Wholesale Buyers Club for just $9.95 a month. As members, they're free to buy whatever they want, whenever they want, without any purchase requirements at all. They, like you, have complete freedom of choice. Yes, you're not obligated to buy products from your own business. You'll probably want to, but you don't have to in order to earn money, and you don't have to sell them either. Let's look at the kind of money that you can earn. Remember I told you that Live Good offers you unlimited earning potential. Will you earn an unlimited income? I can't promise that. I can't promise you that you'll earn any money. But I am excited to give you a glimpse at the life-changing income available to every Live Good affiliate. There are 6 different income streams in Live Good, including fast start bonuses that give you quick cash that you can earn immediately. To keep this video on point and no longer than it has to be, we're going to look at only one of the 6 powerful income streams. At the end of the video, I'll give you access to the information about all 6 ways that you can earn with Live Good. The income stream you'll learn about right now is called Matrix Commissions. This one reveals how you make money when people only pay $9.95 a month for their membership. Let's begin with a very simple example. You become a Live Good affiliate today. You pay $9.95 a month every month, and you do not share this opportunity with anyone. Can you still earn money? Yes. Here's how. Live Good has attracted almost 900,000 affiliates in less than a year. It won't stop growing anytime soon. The compensation plan puts new members in a matrix, which is just an arrangement of rows and columns. When new people join, they will be placed somewhere in the matrix below you. You'll actually get paid 2.5% of the monthly membership of everyone below you in your matrix or column down 12 levels deep if you never personally enroll anyone. Over time, that residual income that you earn every month can grow as high as $2,047.50 per month, and that's without us ever enrolling a single person. How long will it take? A long time. It could take as long as 5 years if you just sit back and do nothing. If you get excited and share the opportunity with people, you can reach the rank of diamond. Then you'll get paid 15 levels deep in your matrix, and your maximum earning potential from just this one stream of income is $16,383.50 a month. Would that change a few things in your life? Remember, there are 6 income streams, and I've only shown you one. Also remember that you're only required to pay $9.95 a month to unlock this unlimited income potential. If you're excited right now, and you should be, you'll definitely want to see all 6 streams. Great news, you can. Click the link in the description below this video. Enter your name and email, and you'll immediately go behind the scenes where you can test drive this lucrative opportunity with absolutely no risk or obligation. Take that simple action right now. Click the link. Discover everything that Live Good offers you. Then decide if this opportunity is for you.